In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Microsoft Copilot. If you prefer using Copilot in a different language or you're setting it up for someone else, this quick walkthrough will help you switch the interface and guide Copilot's replies to the language you want. First, open your web browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft Copilot site. If you're asked to sign in, that's normal. Just continue with your usual account. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main Copilot chat screen. Look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It usually appears as a small circular avatar or a person-shaped icon. On mobile, it may be tucked behind a menu button, but it's still at the top of the screen. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This menu gives you quick access to your personal settings, and that's exactly where the language control lives. Inside the profile menu, find and select language. Depending on the layout, it might be listed directly or grouped under settings or preferences. Opening this will bring up Copilot's language options. Now choose the language you want from the list. You'll see a range of supported languages. Click your preferred option and Copilot will switch over. In most cases, the change applies right away. If parts of the page don't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh your browser tab. For chat replies, starting a new conversation helps ensure Copilot responds in your chosen language consistently. A few helpful tips. If your browser has automatic translation turned on, it can sometimes override what you see. Consider turning off auto-translate for this site so Copilot's own language setting is the one you experience. If you use Copilot on multiple devices or browsers, remember that language preferences may be tied to your account or stored in your browser. You might need to repeat this change on each device for a consistent experience. Also, if your organization manages your account, some settings could be controlled by admin policies. In that case, follow the same steps and check that the option is available to you. That's it. Go to the Copilot website, open your profile menu, select language, and pick the one you want. You can switch back or try another language anytime. Thanks for watching.